How to type circular numbers in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Word and then go to Insert. After that, go to Symbol. Now go to More Symbols. Now in this font, simply go to Normal Text. While in this subset, simply search for Enclosed Alphanumeric, and here you will see several numbers inside a circle. So simply select the one that you want to insert and then press insert like this. Now close it. As you can see, the numbers are typed inside a circle. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.